this tiny room, building dreams nobody else can see. One more step, one more fight, my future is calling me.